Good afternoon. Today we are at 851 Manistee. This is a paired duplex townhouse. We're in Schererville, Indiana. This unit is 2 bedrooms with a den and a sunroom, one of the larger units available, about 1,700 square feet and change. Some of the nice things about this place are some of the built-ins, lots of character here. We've got lots of trim, crown molding. This is the front bedroom, smaller than the back bedroom, obviously, the master. Both do have ceiling fans, though, accent lights with the tray ceiling. You can see here the built-in organizer in the closet. Little storage closet, coat closet for when you walk in, broom closet. There's another closet to the left in the foyer. Ceramic tile. Full bath. And that does have the telephone or wand for easy cleaning in the shower. There's a little dining area here as well. And obviously it's an open concept here all the way into this living room, which is also open to the kitchen. The den is also open with a ceiling fan. Got some built-in storage here. Nice cabinetry. I think you have a couple options as far as where you want put your TV. I could see it being here. Previous owner did have it on this wall. I'm going to go into the primary bedroom since we're on this side of the house. Again, you've got your tray ceiling, accent lights, window treatments. The backyard in this particular unit, super private. There's a lot of trees. It is a corner lot. And the nice thing about this particular corner lot is the additional privacy that you get. Have an ensuite, oversized vanity. It's ready to go for a double vanity. And then a 3/4 bath with a shower. More storage in here. As far as in your walk-in closet, you got the closet organizers, and even has a couple of built-in secret features like this ironing board. And on this side, it even has a mirror. Mirror slides out, and you can angle it. Pretty cool. Hang your towels, your robes, if you wear ties. And you can even extend it and figure out what you're wearing for the day. Some really nifty features here. Plenty of storage for your shoes. And then you got some storage up on top as well. This unit has a 2-car attached garage and a sunroom. So these are all extras, not the garage, but the sunroom is. It kind of flows all the way around. Black stainless appliances. And touch operated faucet. That's a Delta. Oh man, forgot the light. Laundry room. Does have a newer water heater. Furnace is original. Roof is also original. We're going to go into a dark garage. However, when you walk in, up here there is motion sensors. So some lights do kick on. And of course you have a overhead garage door. Automatic opener. Pull down stairs here, and actually there's some decking up there, so you do have a little bit additional storage. Nice ceramic tile throughout. The kitchen Both bathrooms. This again is 851 Manistee in Schererville. Continuing outside from coming off the sunroom here is your patio. So you can see that it does have poured concrete here. That is like a sunsetter. Does have a manual and auto operation, so you can extend that. That goes to the gas grill. The grill stays and it's hard piped. Nice knee wall. Pavers. This is probably one of the nicest townhouse half duplexes that I've been in. And as far as the privacy goes, yeah, you do have somebody behind you. And you can see they've done some similar features to theirs as well. But man, they really take care of these as far as the lawn goes, maintenance and things like that, the landscaping. But you don't feel like you're in a townhouse here. This unit is on the other side. And with this little peekaboo here, you got lots of privacy.